In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a prospect account in GoHighLevel using the manual method. This approach is one of the quickest ways to add an individual lead and will guide you through the entire process to ensure you have all the necessary details in place. To get started, you'll first need to log into your GoHighLevel account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to make sure you're working within the correct sub-account. This is an important detail because GoHighLevel allows you to manage multiple accounts, and you want to ensure that your new prospect is added to the right place. After confirming that you're in the correct sub-account, navigate to the Contacts section. This is where all of your contacts, prospects, and leads are managed. Here you'll find the option to add a new contact. Look for the plus Add Contact button, which is usually located at a convenient spot on the interface for quick access. Clicking the plus Add Contact button will open a new form where you'll need to enter the prospect's information. Start by inputting essential details like the first and last name. These are critical identifiers for your prospect. Next, add their email address. It's also a good idea to verify this detail for any typos, as it will be crucial for communication. Don't forget to include their phone number. Depending on your communication strategy, this might be equally or even more important than their email. If your prospect is associated with a business, you'll want to enter the company name. Adding the website can further improve data organization and provide easy access to additional information when you need it. Next, you can apply tags to your prospect. Tags allow for efficient sorting and segmenting of your contact list, making it easier to manage your database as it grows. Address information is another useful bit of data, especially if location-based services or insights are part of your strategy. Fill in this section to the best of your ability. Similarly, documenting the lead source is beneficial. Knowing where your leads are coming from can help you assess the effectiveness of your marketing strategies. In addition to these basic details, GoHighLevel offers the flexibility to create custom fields tailored to your needs. This is particularly useful if you're looking to capture information unique to your business model. Furthermore, you can add notes, which can be incredibly advantageous for maintaining context and continuity in your interactions. Tasks and follow-up reminders can also be set up, ensuring you stay on top of every prospect interaction. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields and tailored any custom options to your satisfaction, remember to click Save. This action commits all the information to your database and makes your new prospect an official part of your GoHighLevel system. By following these steps, you'll ensure a seamless and organized integration of your new lead into your contact management system. Thanks for joining today, and we hope you find this guide helpful for streamlining your prospect management process in GoHighLevel.